Hey, how's it going? Austin here, and coming to you, giving you a video for the ClearCryptos channel. If you don't know me, my name is Austin Hilton. I have my own channel here on YouTube, but I also support ClearCryptos in their YouTube channel. If you're interested, links in the description below to all things ClearCryptos. Check them out. This is a project that started off with utility, and it wants to revolutionize crypto in a positive way. All right, so definitely check them out. So let's talk about Shiba Inu, and let's talk about 2,800 billion tokens. Yep, 2,800 billion tokens bought in one single transaction in the last 36 hours. Actually, just shy of $26 million purchase price for those 2,800 billion. Think about that for a minute. That is an amazingly large number. I would just love to be the person who has the ability to do that, right? By the way, if you're wondering where I'm at, I'm actually in Santa Barbara. It's really, really pretty. You can see I'm actually at a lacrosse tournament for my son, so we travel all over the United States doing that. So that's where I'm at, but it's been raining, so I thought I'd make a video for you guys real quickly. But here's the thing, going back to this 2,800 billion price, that was done, right? It's an interesting scenario where, if you think about it, this speaks to whale activity, and it speaks to viability of the project. And what we've got going on right now with Shiba Inu, specifically what's going on with SHIB as it relates to kind of the overall market conditions. The overall market conditions really flat right now, not really doing a lot. SHIB's at 5 zeros and a 9 approximately number, moves a little bit, but we've got quiet, what I'm calling quiet accumulation going on. We got institutional money coming in, we got whale money coming in, and we got retail money coming in. Now, like this single transaction that I'm talking about, 2,800 billion tokens, north of almost 26 million as far as what the price tag was. Not necessarily enough to move the needle in a single transaction, but it's worth talking about because the fact that you've got people that are investing that much in SHIB in a single transaction speaks to the viability of the project, long-term outlook, all of those kind of things. And that's why I'm making this video for Clear, because I wanted to educate you guys on really what you may not be paying attention to associated with this particular initiative or this particular buy, okay? And that you have to kind of sometimes look at the overall larger picture of why did somebody buy almost $26 million worth of SHIB. Long-term prospects for the project, ecosystem active development, very, very stable. Price analysis, looking at SHIB's price over the last year, pushed down by the overall market conditions, but it's established and consolidated at this kind of 509, 401 level. Been here for a while. That's a good thing. Considering the instability that we've had in the market, that's a good thing. That's what I got for you. Interested in ClearCryptos, learning more, links in the description below. Check them out. I'll see you.